Lots of leg kicks and knees, front kicks. Head up, good. Good job. Don't look down like that. Don't let him step around you. Jason, yeah. Head up. Nice. Set that up. Oh, yeah. Cover that liver up. He was looking for it. Get right elbow over your liver. Good job, Jason. That's it. Shut that down. Good job. Head up, pummel. Good job. He can handle his clinch. He can handle a guy your size, no problem. Good break. Only get 10 seconds in the clinch. Cut kick when he throws that. Just step away and angle with your left. Inside kick him. Now close the gap. Don't give him any space. Get out of there. Now's your chance to get out the door. Nice. Through the ropes. Kick the legs. When he leans back like that, the legs are wide open. Set it up first. Punches first. 3 punches. Kick. Oi. You got to get out of there. He's too good in there. Get out of there. That's where he likes to fight. Time.